In today's video, I'm going to teach you Notion, how to use formulas to display properties side by side in a database. Go straight into your Notion workspace. I'll assume you're already logged in, so from your main dashboard, head over to the left sidebar and open the database where you want to show properties side by side. This can be any database view where you want a cleaner, more compact display. Once the database is open, look across the header row and click the plus icon to add a new property. Notion will ask what type of property you want to create, and here you'll choose Formula. This is what lets you combine information from other columns into one single result. After the new Formula property appears, click its header and rename it to something clear like side by side. Naming it well makes it easier to recognize later, especially if your database has a lot of properties. Now, click inside a cell under that new Formula column. This opens the Edit Formula window. This is where you'll build the expression that joins two properties together. If you want to combine a text property and a number property, enter the formula like this: prop open parenthesis quote, property 1 quote close parenthesis, plus space pipe space in quotation marks, plus format open parenthesis prop open parenthesis quote, property 2 quote close parenthesis. The important part here is to replace property 1 and property 2 with the exact names of the properties from your own database. The names have to match exactly, including spacing, or the formula won't work properly. The reason format is used on the second property is because number values need to be converted into text before they can be displayed next to another text value. When you're done, click anywhere in the empty space of your database. Notion saves formula changes automatically, so there's no separate save button to worry about. You should now see your combined value appearing in the new column, with both properties shown on one line and separated by a vertical bar. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. To make the database look cleaner, go to the top right corner and click the three dots. Open the property visibility settings. From there, you can choose Hide All if you want a quick reset. Then use the eye icons to turn visibility back on only for the properties you want to keep visible. In this case, you'd usually leave your new side-by-side formula property visible and hide the original source properties if you no longer need to see them in the main view. That gives you a much neater database layout and helps reduce clutter without losing the underlying data. And that's it. You've successfully created a formula in Notion to display properties side by side in a single database column.